What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to easily make traffic grabbing videos fast. This is not about recording your face, being on camera. This is not about talking into a mic. Actually, think of this as little tiny animated billboards, okay? So for this method, to get this traffic, you don't need any design skills, you don't need any tech know-how, and you don't need YouTube. On top of that, this method is about fast traffic, okay? Fast free traffic, okay? It's about more leads and ultimately more sales. I don't care if you're in drop shipping, in e-com, if you do affiliate marketing, you know traffic is the lifeblood of your website, okay? Also, make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials just like this one. And you're also gonna wanna check out the link below, and for a limited time only, grab my 3 easy to use traffic tools that forces up to 80% more niche targeted traffic to your squeeze pages and to your affiliate offers, okay? I get traffic off of 3 different platforms, and I'm able to make a full-time living online doing so. So make sure you grab these 3 tools at 0 cost. 2 of them I created myself, so you're gonna want them as well, okay? So first place you wanna go to is Canva, okay? You wanna go to Canva and you want to scroll along this create a design category here, and you wanna choose a Pinterest pin. I'm gonna choose this Pinterest pin here. This is free, it doesn't cost you a dime. Really important. I'm gonna show you kind of a hack, a little trick to create these videos with very little work. Okay, so I'm gonna use this template. It's a free template. You can find it within the template section. I'm gonna add it on, tack it on right here. I'm gonna put in my site at the bottom here, Internet Marketing Gym, internetmarketinggym.com, and I'm gonna add a video. Check this out. Go to video section. But this video is not really important. I just want a video length so that it plays automatically within Pinterest. I'm gonna choose this one right here. It's 15 seconds long. That will do. You want to position it to the back of the actual image because it's not important, but it will allow the video to run on the Pinterest platform. So I'm gonna write in here 3 traffic tools for free. Oh, put 2 R's in free. Free targeted traffic. Now this is not enough. This is not enough. You're gonna have to put some animated GIFs in here. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Okay. So first one, write in simple, easy, semi-automated. That's what my traffic tools will do. Okay, cool. So I have this. I'm gonna actually bring that up like that. Now I'm gonna put in some animated elements into this video pin. So you're gonna want to go to elements, and you're gonna want to scroll down to this section called stickers. Really important, okay? And you're gonna take actually your design. Now Canva is very simple to use. All you gotta do is move it around, drag it to the position you want it to be in, and it works that easily. Okay. So I'm gonna bring that towards the bottom, and I'm gonna put here at the very top, click the link. Really important, okay? Because the thing about video pins is that you gotta tell your audience, you gotta give them a call to action, what's called a CTA, to let them know what they have to do, okay? And all you want them to do is get on over from this video pin to your landing page, to your squeeze page, or to your affiliate offer, or to your own product, okay? I do this in 4 different niches, so I'm going to add it up in here, click the link. but I want something animated. So I'm gonna put in click stickers and click and see what comes up. Okay, I'm gonna use this one here, this hand here, just like that. Move it there, and I'm gonna put in some animated words. Let's go back to elements. Let's go back to stickers. Go back to see all. Let's see what we can find here to help us animate. So it says word stickers. I'm gonna click on word stickers and scroll down until I find something that will help my audience understand that they have to actually click the link towards the bottom of the Pinterest video pin. So look around. Okay, cool. So I've decided on sign up today. So I'm gonna click sign up today, and it should appear within the video pin. I'm gonna drag it up towards the top. Very easy stuff. Keep it on the side here, and I'm going to position it to the back, just one position backwards, so that the hand is towards the front, and I'm going to position the hand just a little bit towards the bottom near the 3. Okay, so the people who will be looking at this pin will know that there's a link there somewhere that they have to actually click onto so that they can sign up for the 3 free traffic tools. Okay, now that I'm done with my Pinterest pin, I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna click publish. I'm gonna click download. Really important here, there's 2 things you gotta download, not just the video but also the actual image, because the Pinterest will ask for both of them. So I'm gonna click download here. Second, you're gonna go to publish again and click download again, but this time you're going to go after the PNG file and download that. After that, you're gonna go to Pinterest account. Okay, now I recommend that so here's some good news about Pinterest. Before, Pinterest wanted you to pin a bunch more. Now they think less is more. So I recommend you pin at least 25 times a day, not all at once throughout the day. That's what's recommended, and that you make sure that your Pinterest pins are SEO optimized. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm going to go and I'm going to add a pin. Go to create pin right here, and I'm just going to add the pins I just created. So I'm going to open up my file, go to downloads. So here's the MP4. I'm going to add this first, and this little box right here, square, I'm going to add my PNG file. Now I'm going to add my title, but before that, I'm going to make sure that I add my link where I want the traffic to go to. Really important. I'm going to add my title right up in here. 3 free traffic tools to help. 3 free traffic software to help with your niche traffic. Okay, I'm doing this on the fly. I'm going to use my Pinterest pin software here and look up blog traffic to see how people are searching online. Blog traffic tips, blog traffic increase, blog traffic Pinterest. I'm going to use these 3 keywords in my description. So if you want real blog traffic if you want real blog traffic, if you want a real blog traffic increase, to your lead capture pages and affiliate offers, then you could use my free traffic software that will help you automate your blog traffic. This is for you if you're interested in building a passive income online, or if you want to start an affiliate marketing site, niche site. Okay. There we go. Then we can add some tags. I'm going to add some tags here. Internet marketing. Internet marketing. Here we go. Affiliate marketing. Here we go. What's another one? Blog. Not blood. Blog. Blogging. That's good. I'm gonna put this in the correct category. I'm put this in blog because I use the word blog a lot within the actual description, and I'm gonna click publish, and there you go. Okay, now you can't expect just to pin one video or one image a day and get tons of traffic. You got to do it at least 25 times a day. If you have questions about that, check out my YouTube channel, and I have a ton of videos on that. If you have any questions at all about this video and this tutorial, let me know down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to pick up these 3 free tools for yourself. Okay, I use them on a daily basis. I know they work. Be good and take care. Bye-bye.